Check, check, mic check. What up, AJS? What is crack-a-lackin'? How are you? How's life? I'll take good. Fuck yeah. What are you working on? Okay, I need to add a cursor. I think I already did this part. Yeah, I did this. Update header and footer. I need new background. I don't want to do a cursor today, but I think that is the responsible thing to do. Excuse me. All right, let's see. Move mon cursor. Still working on hack, although I do plan to do something special for it, considering the occasion coming. What is the occasion? What do I not know? Is it National ROM Hack Day or something? Let's see. Okay, how do I make the cursor? Let's start there. Okay, this is moving it. Interesting. The cursor should just have a callback, right? Printmon cursor. Okay, let's see. Well, I plan on doing something for the early days of next month. I see. Okay. Sounds fun. Is this like a whole new endeavor? Do you normally do something at the beginning of the month? I actually don't recall you doing something like this before. Get the X, get the Y. It's for the occasion. Got it. Okay. Oh, next month is April. Okay, I understand. I was like, what am I missing here? Okay, thank you. Yeah, that sounds fun. And your hack, correct me if I'm wrong, has a lot of humor in it. So yeah, this makes sense to me. Sounds exciting. Don't spoil the occasion. I'm sure I'll see it somewhere. Actually, I probably won't because I don't really go on Reddit anymore. But next time I see you, I'm sure I'll see it. I'll see you before then too. Okay, cool. I got there. I don't either. Yeah. I also don't venture into like the social ROM hacking channels where you will probably post it, but when I talk to you next, I'm sure you will tell me all about it and it will be great. It'll be great. Let's see. Okay, I need a new cursor, but I don't want... How big do I want this cursor to actually be? When I asked about your hack, I meant like, what are you working on today? Just out of curiosity. Okay. Let's go to the Pokédex. Mainly just polishing stuff right now. Hell yeah, polish is important. It's what makes the game magical, in theory. Okay. Where is the Poke parent window? There you are. Okay. How big are you? You are 32 by 16, and this is 32 by 32. So if I just make this 32 by 16, that should be good enough, right? Yeah, let's try that. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, parent display, printmon cursor. And then if I move mon cursor, okay. Oh, interesting. Get the current cursor coordinate and then make it an X or Y. Okay. Load mon cursor sprite, that'll be the same. And then if I just change these from 30 by 32 to by 16, save. Oh, interesting. Yeah, this will work. Okay. These are all static. Oh, God. Okay. Do I have... Just trying to remember, do I have hard-coded values? Or how am I getting the X and Y now? Get size for row. This is all cursor bullshit. What? Arrow sprites. Okay. Update mon icon to crop. Okay. Print type icons. Mon icons? Yes. Okay. Print mon icons. Ah, there was a table. Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, mon icon coordinates. That's what it is. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'll just do that for now. Okay, so let's see. So X is gonna be mon icon coordinates. And then this is Pokédex page moves. Axis X. And then this is Y. Yep, okay. Okay. Y, okay. And then we load the cursor sprite. Then we create the interface sprite, which is also... I'll need to make those non-static, and then saving this. And why don't I just change the callback now? Oh, I don't have a callback. Let's see. That's not how I was doing it. Okay. Well, that's how I should be doing it. So there's that. Yeah. Okay. Is there a reason I didn't do it that way? Probably. Okay. Load mon. Okay. Where does this get used? It just gets used in the beginning. Ah, and then there's a script. I see. And I should just make it invisible. Okay, yeah. If the task isn't, if we're not in parent mode, to make itself invisible. Okay, cool. We're gonna make a new callback then. So, sprite callback. Oh no, this is gonna. Actually, let's do that. Sprite callback parent display cursor. Okay, so static void. Oh no, this is struct sprite. Okay. So the x2 will always just be that, and if it's invisible. Okay, so if... Is there a concrete way to become in parent mode? I don't think so. Ah, I know. Where's that window being stored? No. Okay, window ID. Change the... Oh, okay. What is this? Species list Window ID. Let's see. Okay. I should make this. Okay. For remove window. Let's see. Yes. Okay, cool. And then for this should be window none. And I hope that's not a 0. It's not. It's a 255. Perfect. Okay. Is this also? Nope, that's create. Where's remove? Perfect. Okay. And then for you, we can close you if this, if it equals Windows none, then return. Oh, no, it's make the sprite invisible, actually. It's sprite invisible true, then return. And then this is an else. Visible false. Okay, and then get the X and Y. Okay, and let's see. Oh, interesting. Kick has made it harder to ban people. I wonder why. There's a ban, there's timeout, there's mute, there's favorite. If I delete their chat message, what happens? I don't want to pin it. Right clicking on them does nothing. Clicking on them does nothing. Huh. What happens if I delete their message? Okay, I can. Oh, deleting their message removes it from the stream itself. That's interesting. I was not expecting that at all. And now I want to ban them, but how do I report them? That's what I actually want. Okay, and I muted them. Damn, but they just took away this report button. Wild. Okay, well, that's fine. Oh well. Kick gonna kick. Okay, if window none, then it's true. Otherwise, make it false, and then sprite x2 is 1. Okay. y2 is 1. Okay. And this actually needs to be... Oh, actually, no. It's just you guys again. Okay. Okay, so this is sprite. Okay, this is also that. Okay. Okay, this needs to be Y. Y. Okay. Tile tag. Okay. All right, this should just work. Sprite callback, display parent cursor. Okay, then we gotta load the cursor sprite. I don't want to make this non-static because I'm definitely not going to be using this, because Crim is going to give me a new cursor. Okay, so speciesless cursor. Yeah, okay. And then this is actually 16. Okay. Sprite palette. Okay. So now this is parent display load. Oh, no. Load mon cursor sprite. Okay. Is this? Okay, this one's non-static. Cool. And those go in, and then how about this one? Aha, perfect. Okay. All right, what went wrong? It's a pointer? Wait, that's a value I need. Mon coordinates. The hell? It's definitely not a fucking pointer. Oh, goddamn it. Oh, it's the base. Oh, I'm silly. I'm a silly bitch. Okay, cool. Whoops. Pokédex, mon, icon base. Oh, duh. Okay. Mon, icon, coordinates. Okay. And then times 2 or whatever. Okay. Okay, this is padding. Okay. But instead, the 2 is actually horizontal position, right? Okay, so now... get X coordinate. Okay, get cursor. Okay, cool. Yes, okay. Why did the music stop? Interesting. Okay. Weird. Okay. Axis X. They just want that to be Y now. Okay. Okay, that's done. Alright, let's see. What else is broken? Aha, same problem. Okay. So that should definitely be a function of some kind. U32 space becomes sprite. Look, arrow thingy. Gonna do that. See what happens. Okay. Ah, need to declare that. Oh, that's the only thing left. Cool. Okay. 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 And we got a bunch of functions. Okay. Ah, and then I don't have it ever printing, dog. Okay, so now when do I want this to happen? I think it's at parent display, show window, or create menu. Yes. Okay. Okay, you got the coordinates. Perfect. Right after we create the arrow sprites. Okay. Nothing. It's completely invisible. Why is that? Oh, I know why. Yeah, it is here. Okay. The priority is fucked. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Priority is it's on 0. That's what it needs to be. Okay. Okay. Moves. Aha! Perfect. Yes. Why can't I? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Yes. Okay, cool. Okay. Got a cursor. Cursor does not wrap. Okay. You need to do that now. Okay, now I need to reprint all the parents. Okay. Okay. R button. Actually, let me commit. First, okay, add first version of parent display cursor on moves page. Uh-oh. Oh, my git directory is corrupted. Oh, it's been like that all day. I didn't even notice. LOL. That's not good at all. Interesting. Okay. Why is my Git repo corrupted? Alright, cool. We get to watch me unfuck my Git repo. Hope I didn't have anything locally. Okay, something wrong with my... Let's find out. No. Yeah, okay, so it's not... It's just this folder. Okay, that's good to know. Shit. Alright, that's fine. I'll just have to pull the newest stuff. I don't have a choice. So move... Oh, this has happened to me already. Cool. Very cool. Do I still have it? Old Pokemon Corrupt 2. Cool. I love this game. This one is March 2025. I'm gonna start get clone. Oh god, I gotta get my repo. Okay. Okay, going to get my repo. Okay. No. I'm already signed in. Big repo. Okay. Gotta cut that down. Two meg repo. Holy moly. Oh, no, that's a megasecond. How big is my repo? Okay, cool. I did not realize it was this big. What am I bloating? I wonder if there's a repo, get repo space analyzer. Let's see. There's got to be one that tells you, like, hey, it's this file. You see. Oh, let's see. Interesting. Any file loops. BFG, he made it. Okay, fast forward. Okay. What pushes? Yeah, that. First, fix your local history. I see. I see. Okay. Complete remove file. Okay. Oh, this is good. Cannot force. Okay. I'll come back to this when I do the thingy. Actually, I'm going to add it to my to-do list now. Damn, it's still going. This repo's huge. Okay. 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 Okay, do this. Paste this here. Okay. I forgot that I made this yesterday. Cool. 96%. We're cooking. Must be a sprite files. I'm sure that's what it is. Which is fine. It's not the worst thing in the world. Although I do want to actually run this command. Let me see. Okay. Git check out Pokédex. Okay. Git pull. Git fetch everything. Okay. Okay. And now I want to source. This is UI Pokédex. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Load. Okay. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see. While I do that, I'll check on my messages there. Oh, it's just me. Ha! Silly me. All right, she is cooking, which is great. Okay. It's a start. It's doing something. I gotta figure out what's causing that. There's gotta be a thing I'm doing that is like suboptimal. Okay, I should. Oh, while I wait, I will just turn these arrows on their sides. Right arrow and left arrow. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Rotate canvas. What up, Awakeon? Rotate canvas. Okay. And then right arrow becomes down arrow. Okay. And this one becomes up arrow. Yep. Okay. Oh, that's cute. I don't think you've used that before. It's very cute. Uh-oh. What is this shit? Multiple definition of page switch from grid. But it... Okay, hold on. What the hell? Did I paste it twice? I must have pasted it twice. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. There. Oh! Okay. Interesting. Wait. Oh, duh. I'm on default. Holy shit, I'm stupid. Okay. Get reset hardhead. Okay. No. I'm not on default. Okay, does this version compile? Okay. Yes. Okay. And now... And now if I do view... Oh, I am an actual stupid ass. Okay, cool. I was overwriting the wrong fucking file, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. Okay, cool. We're back. Perfect. Okay. And I want to make a commit of this now. Okay, so... remove graphics, Pokédex, UI, page, left arrow, and this is right arrow, and then left arrow. So left becomes... Actually, let's do this. Left arrow becomes up arrow. And then right arrow becomes down arrow. Okay. Oh, god damn it. Okay, let's try this again. Perfect. Okay, and now arrow left becomes arrow up, and so many moves changes. It still feels like there's not enough moves for me to give out. That's because there aren't. That's because you're just right. I think we talked about this already. Like you try and do the Gen 9 thing, but when they need new moves, they just make them, Oikion. Which it sounds like you're not doing. And therein lies your big problem. But yes, this is a problem for you for sure. If we worked on moves, I'd say I have to do it more. Yeah, I think you have to have the same approach to moves that you do mons, which is like they all need a niche, which is, a whole lot more work. But yeah, I think you are going to keep running into this problem. What the hell is going on? Okay. Interesting. I beg your pardon. What did you do? I assume you're merging in 111? I mean, yeah, I'm sure there are mindless conflicts that you can... I'm sure a change was made upstream to how that file is generated, and you are... Actually, isn't that the file that gets generated automatically? Like, what if you just compile over it? I think that's an automatically generated file. Yeah, so if you just compile, it goes away. That's the funny file as well, yeah. It's a good time. Fun for the whole family. Hold on. Is left, is up, is right, is... I think something's wrong with WSL's clock. Yeah. Okay. Maybe not. Interesting. Okay. And then this one. This one is up arrow. And this one is down arrow. And okay, let's see. I'm just assuming. No, I don't. Okay, do not touch the file. Like, ignore that conflict entirely. Do nothing. Do not touch the file, and then compile your, like, do all your other merge conflicts, and then compile your game, and all the conflicts in that file should just go away. Because the file is going to get deleted and regenerated based on the JSON. Tried to unalphabetize moves within it looks like aren't, because all I can do is have it not ignore the universal. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. Does the Heart Gold Soul Silver decks use the order that they're listed there? You can just reorder the list. Like, I'm sure it makes a list menu struct, and you can just make another one in memory, reorder it, and then push it in. But then you have to figure out, okay, well, how do you want to order it? Do you want it by move ID? Like, what's the correct way to order it? Like all the other conflicts in the Gen 1 family's fun. That's on you, dog. That I cannot help you with. It's between you and your god. I am surprised you're making all these changes in game versus just like a spreadsheet and importing them later, or like a notepad file. Because you're going to do this every time you update. Whereas This feels like a lot. What up, Archie? What do you mean not made because of errors? I'll show you a fucking error. Come on. Left arrow. Interest left. What do you need it for, though? Left arrow. Well, the way I had it before was that the TMs went first order and the rest all now that all TMs are all in mismatch order now. You want TMs first and then egg moves? Yeah, you could definitely still do that. You have to do some for loop fuckery, but it's definitely possible. But yeah, I get it. Like, I know that the JSON file just alphabetizes them. I understand. Interesting. Okay, let's try something else. I'm gonna kill you. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Okay. Okay, so tell me where left arrow is actually being used. Left arrow. Interesting. Okay. Left arrow. This is up arrow. Right arrow is now down arrow. Is left. Is now. Is left. Is up. Is right. Is down. Arrow right. Okay. Arrow right is arrow down. Arrow left, arrow up. Okay. Oh yeah, the reason I don't put everything into spreadsheets is because it takes forever to use spreadsheets. Fair enough. But you see my point though, that like because you're doing it in game, like in your repo, you're gonna have to do this song and dance every time a change gets made. That's what I'm worried about. It's like there's got to be a better way for you to handle this. Oh, okay. And then this is up arrow. Like, sure, don't use a spreadsheet, but there's gotta be a better way that isn't you fighting with merge conflicts all the time. Or maybe I'm just fucking wrong. Like, who knows? But I just don't like watching my friends waste time. That's all. Left is up, and Archie, I know you didn't play this game. I want to hear your opinion as a talking head on the RHH drama. Bold of you to assume I know what you're talking about. Bold. I, I, yeah, the funny thing, okay, so like someone else, okay, here, I'm going to pull back the curtain a little bit. There is a Senate channel, where we talk about like Senate stuff that I don't feel like debating with the public about. And in the Senate channel, someone posted, I think yesterday, like, oh shit, that is annoying. in some RHH channel that I don't even like have visible, and that was the end of the discussion. Like, I just know that something happened, and I don't know what or where, or I don't have any context. I got nothing. Yeah, if the channel prefix is not expansion, I don't go in it. Like, just the regular people doing what they do. Sounds great. I can only imagine. Yeah, I like there are people that like the whole like Pret drama last month. I was like completely oblivious to it. Like the only reason I knew it was even happening is because I got a ping about it, and then people were talking about it. And I was like, "What is happening?" Like somebody mentioned to me via DM, assuming I knew what was going on. I was like, "Oh, I thought you meant regular people. It's the 4chan sign of ROM hacking." I see. I did not know that. Today I learned. Oh wait, Ken, I'm sure there is, but I don't know how to go about it. I'm just hoping I get the drama before I turn to old man. I mean, ROM hacks take forever, dude. TLDR, some person went and bashed the Mario Mine hack by Alpharad's team. Okay. Why do I don't... That's drama? I mean, I'm sure there's more to it. I just feel like random person on the internet has bad opinion, story at 11. Like, yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, of course they do. Like, what are we doing here? I do it all the time. There's no drama. Yeah, sure. There's a right and a wrong way to do it. No argument. Started a very long argument about what criticism should be allowed in chat. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, that sounds like a whole conversation I don't want to have. Look at that. Crazy. It was directly to the creator, not in general. It's 4chan. No, I think Archie's saying that it was like people from that community in RHH. So it was like in the ROM hacking hideout server. I mean, fine. All right. Well, I would like to believe here. Here's my official talking head opinion, Archie. Here we go. I mean, they're around in Pret and RHH, and they're already heavily involved in the not Pret drama. Okay, so yeah, I already have some bias, like, just based on that sentence alone. Like, now I'm just like, oh, so this person was just being an idiot. Cool. Maybe that's unfair. Maybe that's unreasonable, but... yeah, here's my official talking head opinion. I trust the administration of RHH to make the correct decision in this matter. And they will moderate the community how they see fit and best for everybody. I have full faith they will come to a resolution befitting all of us. There you go. It's my talking head take. Yeah, sorry, I don't have anything hot and spicy. I'm boring like that. Okay. Oh, it's R button, not right button. What the fuck is wrong with me, dude? Yeah, and I'm certain that me going to look at this drama is just going to... I'm just going to lose brain cells, which feels like the wrong thing to go do. Someone tell me if I'm wrong, but like... That is the sense I'm getting. It's like, I will not... Okay, yeah. So I'm just not gonna. Touching grass. Yeah, and you know that I historically hate doing that, so I'm not gonna do that either. Alright, cool. Well, the 2% curiosity I had is now completely extinguished. Thank you all for being part of that. Greatly appreciated. You were all doing your part to keep me off the streets. Thank you very much. Okay, so change row. Okay, that needs to reload the mons. Okay, so... Okay, so this... So... Change row. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Where is reload mons? Oh, this all started, Archie, or the thing I was gonna say to you is I know you have not played the game that Mantine Surf is in, and I do not want this for Silicon, but people would fucking lose their mind if you implemented this in Samaya. It is a beloved mini game, myself included. Very popular. Don't know how you would do it in 2D, but if you could figure it out, that'd be super sick. And you know that I do not invite scope creep, so the fact that I'm saying it has to mean a lot. Like, I need you to understand the implications of me saying this. Okay. Oh yeah, reloading mods. That's what I was doing. Okay. Print all parents? Oh, because it'll just start from the page. Okay. And those I'll use but instead of using the page, I have 2 ocean-based minigame planned. They won't be exactly this, but should elicit similar enjoyment. Good enough. All right, cool. You've understood the assignment. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you for your time, good sir. Let's do this again. Okay, I'll just do this. How about try change. One of them will actually be kind of 3D too. Hell yeah. Mode 7, baby. Let's just get Mario Kart going. Let's just fucking do it. Parent. Display. Reload. Mons. Okay, and then static void parent display reload mons. Yep. Okay. Oh, whoops. How did I misname this? Oh, I see what happened. Reload mons. It's really going to be the opponent shooting minigame but on the ocean. Oh! I love that game. Hell yeah. Yeah, that'll be popular, I think. I don't know if it's going to elicit the same feeling as Mantine Surf, though. I'm not saying it won't be fun, but that is decidedly different, I think. It's not a bad thing. What different? Change row. The other one's a race. We do like races. Okay. Oh, it should just be in change row. Duh. Yes. Okay, perfect. And then have you played Super Mario Galaxy? I did not finish it, but I've definitely played a lot of the first one. I've played Monkey Ball, yeah. Oh, is it going to be like a... Are you going to ship Samaya with a gyroscope? Is that where this is going? Print method icons. Print parents. No, I just got the idea of doing that one level Super Mario like the GBA Monkey Ball. I don't think I played the GBA Monkey Ball. I think I only played the GameCube ones. I mean, it's the same. Fair enough. Okay. I mean, Monkey Ball would go hard. It's the same, just GBA. Fair enough. I did like Monkey Ball, the couple that I played. Calculate starting index. Oh, actually, hold on. And then interesting. Okay, so it's got these. Oh, this is the methods. Okay, the method icons. Duh. Okay. Print parents. Print. Calculate starting index for the mon. Okay. Dang, that game inspired part of my username. Oh, SMG's Master 6. Okay, okay, cool, cool. That makes sense. I'm cool. I'm hip. Yeah, I should sit down and finish it one day. Someday. Oh, I didn't see your YouTube comment because I had a window above it. My bad, Archie. I did not move on from the decks. I have two work streams. I have a laptop one and a desktop one. The desktop, I'm still working on the decks. My laptop is working on the quest menu. The decks is truly never ending. Thank you for your help, by the way, the other day. I've run into an even bigger problem, and it turns out I don't know how pointers work or sprites, which, as you saw what I'm working on, you kind of have to know how both of those work to get anything done. So I'm flailing for a little bit before I go ask for help in Pred again, but we'll see. We're going to have Radical Red 3 before he gets decks done. I mean, probably. That's okay. I'm not in a rush. Besides, I am making moves in other portions of my hack, as Archie can attest to. How do I... Let's see. Okay, I want to do this. And then I want to do... Okay, so I have to ban... I have to delete the message, then mute, then ban. Okay, cool. We got there. I don't think I can get rid of that other one, but it's fine. Mute, ban. Cool, okay. I still think you should have used the continued clearing gram burning viewpoint solution to that problem. I mean, I don't know how to do that problem. Or I don't know how to do that solution. But, I mean, that might be easier than the current problem I'm having now. Dear God, I still have to make a ton of new locations after all the mons are done. Yep, because you need a place to distribute them because Hone is not big enough for all the mons you're planning. That is correct. Have fun. I also don't understand the implications, Archie, of that solution. But it's just adding a for loop to the v-blank that runs a CPU fail. Oh, Jesus Christ. That sounds... I'm actually... This menu specifically is already running into efficiency problems. Yeah, I'm already running tile placing functions every frame, and it's like noticeably slow. So I don't think I could add another for loop to the v-blank. Yeah, I already have to do some major optimization as it is in that menu. I really wanted to do the idea that Pidgey had. What up, Ruby? I'm just mad that the up and down arrows are going to be the problem. It's not anything all Pokemon, but also make you feel like you're not just playing Hoenn again, which technically means I mean, if you do not want to feel like Hoenn again, then yes, you are making a new region. Like, those are your options. I don't understand what you mean. Calculate starting index. Which I'm not saying you shouldn't do as somebody making a custom region. It's just a thing you have to do. Okay, so I want to get rid of the pages. Yeah, okay. Get and set current page. Okay. Current page. Try to change the... Okay. Let's see, 0. Oh, and now it's just enough water. My solution is just insert a bunch of fanfic with the puppets. Wait, isn't that a meme? All 1,000 Pokemon original region new story Mega Evolution difficulty hack. Is that a meme? I feel like you see all of those. I don't see new region and new story. It's like I see. Oh, the meme of people asking for it. I see. Yes, that is a meme. Yes, you're right. Can you guys tell that I'm not hip or cool? Is my coolness showing? Okay. Set current page 1524. Try change current page. Set current page. Cool. Okay. If it just means you don't browse subreddit enough, that's great, Moke. You're damn right. I just don't use Reddit because it's bad for your brain. I try not to do things that are bad for my brain regularly. I cut my dex out of 216. It felt great. Nice. I know you've mentioned that in the past. What was your criteria for cuts? Browsing Reddit is funny, though you just see the worst takes possible. Yeah. I mean, it's like, or at one point, it was like the 8th biggest site on the internet, so you're just going to see humans. Like, that's the takes. People complain about Radical Red. We got Radical Red and its consequences post again. Jesus Christ. Yeah, don't do that, guys. Don't go there. Okay, instead, I removed Pokemon. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, you just like double down on the shit you actually want to do. Fuck yeah. I respect that. Is selected move egg move. Okay. And I'm sure it feels good. Yeah, just make the game you want. Fuck it. Okay, so you start. It's actually. Is the starting index just this? Okay, so if you press down. Oh. I see. Okay, so if. Okay, so. I also feel good at 40% ROM space. Hell yeah. So much room for activities. Still gotta just move select my hat to bring all the new toys. Balancing the least fun part, but the important stuff. Parent display. Get list position. Hell yeah. Okay. I don't know if I told you, but I did the thing everyone says not to do. I removed every vanilla map in the game. You did not tell me that. That sounds horrific. Feels good. Only took 2.5 hours. Not bad. I mean, yeah, I feel like if you're at the level where you can ignore that advice, go off, King. It's just you and I both know that most people can't. If you left Battle Frontier, it would have taken an hour. Oh, because all of the functions. Yeah, everything is tied to that. Yeah, trust me, as somebody who built 2 battle facilities, I know. Yeah. Archie, speaking of the battle facilities, I have a question about your server. Have other people, or have you noticed that the recruitment channels are productive or get used a lot? Like, I know that was originally an experiment between you and RHH, and I don't know where that ended up, or if they just exist because you haven't gotten around to deleting them yet. Get list position. And then if parents display list position. Okay, so if it's even. Okay. I know. Yeah, if it's not even, then I know. Actually, this needs to be a while loop. There's no way it could be more than one, but just in case. While. And then, when done, you return it. Okay. 1594. What the hell? Oh. Whoops. Parent display list. maybe this just becomes cool. Okay. Interesting. I think it depends on the post. Oh, sorry. I mean, they get posts all the time in Team Hideout constantly. Whether people get response about it, can't really say because I do come back to say it was failed. Okay. I think it usually depends on the post. Obviously, lots of kinds of post people who just want to post, create a ROM hack with them for free, and those go nowhere. But I think there have definitely been success story with post hacks clearly going somewhere. Interesting. Okay. Now, this will not hurt my feelings, and the rest of the chat is happy to weigh in here. I feel like within the community, I have earned the reputation of somebody doing something that will go somewhere. I think that is true. And the reason I'm asking Archie is because like a couple months ago, I opened a paid recruitment role just to help me bug test something, my battle frontier or my battle facilities, just so I could release them to the public. And I have gotten 0 responses, which surprises me that it's like, it's pretty easy and it's paid. And I just need people that have played the modern games, which is like most people in our community. So I was just surprised that I got no responses in RHH or Team Aqua's hideout. And I'm wondering like, oh, are these channels dead? Is it me or is there something bigger happening here? And I didn't know the answer. But I thought it was weird. I can ask Arion. Sure. I don't know who that is, but let's see. I'm not friends with them, but we have first servers in common. I mean, I can just message them right now. Actually, Archie, I would appreciate, could you message them and say like, PSF is cool? That would actually be great. I think it depends on the role you're recruiting. So Ruby, you're telling me that playtesters are hard to find? Archie says you're a good playtester. They also designed the boss aces for the pit. A few features. Ironically, in a ROM hacking server, probably because everyone here is a developer and not a player. Okay, that makes sense. Any new... Okay, let me find my post so I can link it to him. Yeah, when did I post it? Oh. We need general devs push the fit line. I did not know that Ghoul was looking for people. Ooh, push to the finish line. Is Voyager gonna get done soon? It's exciting. Okay, yep. No. When did I post? Damn, I'm scrolling up. Yeah, I posted in November, beginning in November, and not a fucking... I got a lot of reactions, but not a single peep. Oh, okay, I thought I made it paid, but it's not paid. I wonder if that's why. But that still seems surprising. Anyway, I mean, your hack is definitely one of the ones I'd say guards have respect. People take it seriously. Appreciated. I thought so. I mean, if I wasn't already doing stuff for you and I saw a post about pay to work in the channel, I would have hit you up. Fair enough. When I opened up making the gym leader pools, I expected one helpful person. So it probably depends on how confident people are doing it. Well, I wouldn't know. Okay, that's fair. And yeah, Ruby, I also imagine there are way more people who want to do that with you than playtest. That's fine. All right, Aaron responded, Archie. Hopefully your message did something. Yeah, I don't know. I always, like, every time, I feel like I post a screenshot, like, once a year. What? I haven't sent it yet? Oh, well, he responded to me anyway. She, they. So So maybe you don't need to message them at all. I would just, if you could, put in a good word for your boy, that'd be great. But I wonder, I didn't make it paid. Maybe that is my mistake. Is I should have made it a paid role. Even I don't know how to fuck playtest my hack. Only plan is releasing it to the wolves, a public beta. I mean, I think that's a perfectly good strategy. I don't even need the hack to be tested. I need literally here. I'll just post it here. Actually, I just need literally 2 battle facilities tested. Very, 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 very small slice of hack. And the version that's going to go in my game is not even the one that they'd be playtesting. I just need to know that the base works so I can release it to the public. But, we'll see. I don't know. Yeah, was not looking for ego boost. I was genuinely just, confused. What did I do wrong? Trying to take a growth mindset, what could I have done better? Okay, why is slot 0 always... Okay, so debug... Debug print coordinates. Current row says, okay. Create create. Oh, it's create menu, that's why. Yes, okay. And then I'll just do, oh, nope. I just got a hell of a DM. All right, cool. This looks promising. Thanks, Archie. I guess I just had to know a guy who knows a guy. Cool. It's not what you know to you know. I mean, I've always known that was true, but it's just funny that it extends to literally all facts of human life. It touches everything that the light touches. Mon is 0. Why is the first one 0? Interesting. It should never be 0. Okay. And then this is Mightyena. Okay. So, oh, interesting. Every time someone posts a bug report that's actually vanilla Gen 9 excited behavior, it's Aaron his hands looking excited. No, you better. Yeah, I do like that. Aaron just no. People are still they just don't know how this works. That is actually really funny. No, Game Freak is that stupid. Life Orb is supposed to get ignored by sheer force. Hidara's sick. I need to actually. I think Hidara is the reason that I'm having so much trouble with the overworld printing. So I gotta hit them up. I think they directly are responsible for the problems I'm having with that menu, Archie. And so yeah, I might need to go hit them up. I was gonna DM them if I didn't figure it out in 2 days, I'd be like, look, I know you did this. I need your help. They're just doing some cursed, it's me, right? I am not supposed to try to print the follower sprites in a menu. It is and crop them. That's on me. That reminded me of a weird fan game item proposal of a defensive life warp equivalent. How would that work? I'm curious. Because life orb is I'm trading health for power. What do you trade for defense? If not health, because that's the whole point of being defensive. Yeah, I know I'm doing the fucked shit, but I need Hidara's help to do more fucked shit. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. Interesting. Oh, what the hell? Okay. List position 0, and then the X position is 1. Okay, I need to fix Doug Trio being in the wrong spot. Let's start there. Okay, print parents is fine. So I need to generate parents array. So I think the intent is that it sounds like a stink post Sunday post. It does sound like a stink post Sunday post. Or Ethereum on Thursday. Could be either one. What I think is the intent is that you take 10% max HP instead of 30% of the move. My brain is having a hard time calculating this. Oh, I see. Are you an upcoming post follower object event refactor? No. Oh no. Is that oh, I did not know that. Okay, wait, are you saying I should just wait? That's what I'm hearing, is just wait. You should update. I'm not on upcoming and I refuse. Is that not on 111? I'm not sure. Here, let's check right now. Yeah, I typically don't pay attention to this shit. I don't update anymore. Yeah, you shouldn't. Let's see. Change log. Change log? No. Here, let's just do this. Repos. Where's expansion? Hey, what's going on, Zetra? I'm back for 5 minutes. You actually picked. I'm actually leaving in like a half hour. I feel bad, but yeah, I know I haven't streamed a lot. Real life has been. They made followers slightly more annoying to add in. I'm sure Hadara woke up and decided to make followers slightly more annoying to add in. It was like, you know what? This shit's too simple. Fuck these guys. Let me look at the most recent release from 2 weeks ago. Guy who posted the 111 announcement. What the fuck is 111? Oh no. The allegations are real. I did post this announcement. Dude, I am so caught. Someone clip this. Holy shit. That's not good. You're absolutely right. ERAM, fanfares, enums, header, request effects, obsolete Steven check, merge from MERP, object event refactor. Thank God it's in 111. Okay, maybe I should just wait. I doubt that function changes. Actually, I can just check. Hold on. Let's see. Only 7 files change. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Oh shit, this is okay. Actually, it is probably directly yeah, this is literally the function I'm fighting with, and it just gets yeeted. Yeah, this whole fucking function is the problem. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Wait, I don't get what it got replaced with. Oh, I see. It's Git is just being. Is your problem that just compress? Okay, all right, Archie. Here's the thing. I have to go to bed in 30 minutes. Like, I got to go. I have a hard out. And so I know if I pull this up on stream, this is not gonna be a half hour. Like, it's not gonna be, where's that Rick and Morty gif? Like, there's just no way. It's quicken out yeah, there's just no fucking way. yeah. But I will tell you, the reason I think it's pointers. Here, let me just do not solve this problem. I'll just tell you what I'm having. Let me suffer for a little longer before I post and pret again asking for help. Basically, I got everything working for the most part, but now when I print the icons, the very last quest in that menu, its icon gets used, its tiles get used for all the ones above it. I know it is something to do with the allocation of the sprite template. Something bullshit. It's not a compression thing, because I have an if statement for, like, if compress, do load compress file sheet, if not use load sprite sheet. I know it's not that. But that's why I think it's something with pointers and bullshit that literally a scale issue. So yeah, I'm fighting with that right now. I'm sure you would look at it. There's like 10 people that I know could look at it and probably tell me it's wrong. But if I'm wrong, then I'm gonna ask Kadara. But now that I know 111 changes it, I'm gonna stop working on it, merge in 111, and then come back to it and see if it's any easier. That's absolute fucking cope, but I'm gonna try. Yeah. So yeah, before we spend 6 hours here and it's 4 a.m. for both of us, like. But thank you for telling me that there was a refactor. I had no idea. I am definitely caught in 4K not knowing the. Not only did I post it, Ruby, I did the release. Like, it was me and Hadara. Like, I should be intimately aware of everything in there. So this is particularly embarrassing. But I gotta hold that shit, you know. That's it's my cross to bear. Get mon just display. Okay, current mon. Okay, how does 0 even get in there? Okay, if current mon equals species. Hopefully that's just enough, right? If current mon equals species none, then continue. Although I'm pretty sure that's in is valid parent. It is. It is. So then how is this? Okay, hold on. Now I gotta print current mon. Debug print current mon is current mon. All right, let's see. Oh, god damn it. Okay. I only poke fun. Every big update seems so big to remember everything. No, you should absolutely. Not only should you poke fun, you should clip it. You should post on Reddit. You should expose me for the fraud Senate member that I am. Like I deserve it. Good talking to you, Ruby. I will see you around. Please expose me as the fraud that I am. I deserve it, and I know this. Okay, why is the mon 0 at this current position? List position is 0. Okay, hold on. Let's try this. Result index. Okay. Result index. Let's see. Do. Okay. Okay. Hitchyacht is in spot 0. What is happening? At list position 0. Okay. Are you reporting incorrectly? Debug. Print coordinates. Let's see. Get future species ID. Oh. Wait, no. Okay, so that doesn't tell me. But does that get set this early on? When does this actually get set? Get parent species. Change row. Okay. Oh. Get parent species. Get the parent list. Okay, and then get the current position. Okay. Debug. And then I wonder. Set parent species. Oh no, you want get parent. Okay. Cursor. Come on. Okay, will this be any different? I doubt it, but we're gonna try. Cursor. Come on. Cursor mon. Okay, and then set. Wait, what? Oh, duh. It's void. Okay. All right. Let's see. So why is that not getting set? Okay, 65, that's correct. 475, okay. Interesting. Okay, I know why. I immediately know the fucking problem. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go Hong Shua for now. All right, peace. Okay. Okay, I'll fix that later. But for now, Okay, so move. No, it's change row. Why does the list position? Okay, so change row and then sanitize the row number. Okay, that's fine. Set list position from coordinates. Okay, are the coordinates even right? Let's test that. It's at 0, 0, then yep. No. Okay, hold on. This is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. That's wrong. Okay, so list position from coordinates is just broken. Cool. Okay, list position from coordinates. Is this... Does that just go away now? Nope. Doesn't exist. Okay. Okay, let's see. I don't think that's it though. $65, $475, $282. Is that Gardevoir? It is. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay. Is it divided by 6? Or it's divided by 4? Okay, so that's 1. That's 0. That's 2. That's 0. That's 3. Okay. This is 5. This is 7. This is 9. This is 11. Okay, that shouldn't be allowed to go down there, but that's fine. Okay. Oh, should not be able to go down there. Okay. Oh, because it's actually, this is Pangoro. Yes. Okay, cool. Got it. Understood. Okay. Column 1. Okay. Am I using column count anywhere? I am. Shit. All right, later, Zetrophus. Thanks for stopping by. Damn it. That's not good. That sort of fixes it. But why? Okay, source UI. Excuse me. Okay. Set list position from coordinates. Okay, got your X, got your Y, is your row number. Get your position, get number of, okay, then the max row. Oh, it is +1. Okay, cool. New coordinate is that. Okay, great. Okay, never mind. Cool. So now I need to, I think it's by 4. Oh no, it's by 2. Okay, let's see if that works. I think it's actually get current row position and then start from that row. That's actually more efficient. I'll try this, but I don't think it'll work. Ooh, a Twitch bot. Wow. Fancy. Okay. Or at the 135 mark. Okay. Is this spam? Submit report. Cool. And block. All right, cool. Okay, here we go. Cooking. Okay. Oh no. Oh, that's right. Okay. I need to save this. Got it. Okay. Hello. Yeah, I knew that was too good to be true. It was going to break all sorts of shit. Okay. Okay. Where is I want this song next. I gotta move these tables out of the header. My build time's like a fucking solid minute now. 52 seconds? Ugh, unbearable. $282.7. Okay. Oh, we were doing so good. Yep. Yeah, it's just get current row and start from there. Okay. Okay. Actually, wait, how does the Pokédex do it? Pokédex. Because I know they use a... Okay, they get the X, they get the Y. And then... Interesting. Then they print... Well, I need to know what position to... Oh, I see. Okay. And then return position. Okay. I removed 700 Pokemon. For some reason, expansion still compiles all the graphics, even though it's not loaded into the ROM. So it didn't speed up my builds at all. I'm salty because now I have to go individually tear out every reference to every mon. Either that or wait for a pre-proc bullshit patch. I mean, you know I'm going to tell you to do the latter, but I know you're going to do the former. Like we know what's happening here, right? Yeah, like come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That sounds like some pre-proc bullshit, though. I'm surprised. I assume you ripped out the mons and their respective configs, because I would assume turning off the configs disables their. Interesting. I would assume that turning off the configs will prevent them from building. I do wonder if actually you did the harder version by ripping it out instead of using the defines. The pre-proc show them as disabled, but they aren't. I used the intended method. Oh, you're not actually ripping them out. Oh, okay. So that's interesting. I'm saying I need to anyway. Ah, I see. Because the intended method doesn't actually work fully. It just doesn't put them in the ROM. Interesting. I feel like that is still compiled. I think you should file that. Like I think somebody would fix that if there was a bug about it. And if you file it now, somebody will see it when the bot posts tomorrow morning. And we've had an uptick in competent programmers recently, and somebody would take that on. Like, I just don't know if anybody realizes this is a problem. Like, this can't be by design. Like, if I asked everybody in a vacuum, they would all say, like, oh, no, it should definitely not, it should not take up space in the ROM. Like, I think everybody would, like, fundamentally agree with that. Get current. It doesn't take up space in the ROM. Or it should not slow down build time. Yeah, that too. I think everybody would universally agree, oh, that's just broken. Like I can't think of anybody who would argue otherwise, which is why I think it'll get fixed. Because other people will realize that and be like, oh, that's fucking annoying. And there's enough tryhards that will just take on the challenge of doing it the right way. IMO. But what do I know? So yeah, rather than so again, I will say again, you should just wait for the bullshit patch. But get current position. No, get position. Get list position. There you are. And then do this. X, Y, and then return position. Okay, cool. Nums. Okay, so this is now Pokédex. Hadara, Leah, and Egg all read the messages. I don't know if they remember or looked into it at all. Yeah, they probably forgot. Like, Egg is working on Silicon right now, so I'm just gonna tear them out. Fine. Statement stands. I think somebody would do it if you yelled about it in a ticket. You work in software development. The kids need tickets on the board. Come on. You of all people know better. Come on. Oh, this is row. This is column count. Okay. Current XL. That's because this. I would still disagree, but yeah, if my boss has added to Notion, it's in one. Yeah, the other. Yeah, that's dog. Like, devs complain about those tools because PMs and management abuse them, but like they were designed by devs to get organized because devs are nightmare people. As a dev, like, yeah, that is literally why these things exist. You can hate them, and that's fair and valid. But getting shit done, you should have a ticket. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, you know that. Okay. Uh, do, 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 do. Okay. Moves. Ha! Hell yeah, brother. Alakazam, Gardevoir, Hitmonchan. That's Jinx. That's Spinda. Yeehaw. Alright. Toxicroak. Oh, baby. And I got it just working. Okay. Alright, let's see. Does it crash on Nidoking? A mon with a billion parents. Oh no, you flexed with this yesterday. I already saw this yesterday. Yeah, try. Yeah, you in the after you guys derailed the thread to talk about nerd shit, somehow that screenshot came up of you flexing how much room you had. Not that I'm again. I've posted enough things to silence that I will happily take the entire channel talked about PSF's thing for an hour and a half. Like that's a win for me. Also, selfishly, when a thread gets a lot of activity, more people pour in. Like, there was one thread I had that was getting responses like 6 months later. And it's because if you go to the thread view, like, it looks like, oh man, this conversation was fucking popping. Here, hold on. Let me, I want to find it now because it's really fucking funny. Also, I just have a monopoly on threads because no one uses them, so I just use them. Like, I think they're great. Oh, they made a base block macro thread? I missed that. I want to talk about that. Yeah, look at this. Okay, ready? Hold on. Is it crazy as I remember it being? Because I remember it being absurd. Oh, hold on. 818, 830. Okay, it wasn't as crazy as I remember it being. If you look at the dates in that, but like the fact that I answered the question on the 7th, motherfuckers posted on the 18th, then the 30th, then the 11th of the next month. Like threads are broken. Is Akron 306? It is. Okay. No, wait, hold on. What the fuck? Oh, I don't have the parent. Okay, got it. Okay, that's the next thing though. Cool. Okay, great. Okay, so this is gonna be okay. And okay, you, and then R button. So this is just gonna be L will be change row 5. And this will be -4. And this will be 4. Okay. Okay, so now cool. Oh, it shouldn't be 4, it should be 1. I want Hitmonchan off the page, so it should just be 2 rows. Yeah, okay, let's just try that. Sunday, I got to correct S-Bird correcting me. I no no no. I thought the same thing. I literally had the same literally the same thought. I know exactly the conversation you are referring to, and I was like, oh, Archie's cooking. He is officially ascended. Yeah, you're just you're built different. Like the speed at which you learn new stuff makes it impossible to keep up with you. It's crazy. All impressive. Can't wait for Samaya that I will watch a YouTuber play because I don't play video games. But I will tell everybody how cool it is. Okay, now why is future species ID not being set? Get parents. Okay, so hold on. Set future. Okay. Oh no, set future. Change row. Oh, because this doesn't run otherwise. I see. Okay, okay, okay. I get it. Okay. Okay, so I need to create window. Is it create menu? Okay. Duh. Okay. And then after I reset the coordinates is when I should. Yes. Okay, perfect. So now when I first opened it, I should be right on. Cursor, aha! And now if I hit A, it goes to Alakazam. Fuck yeah. Hypno. Cool. Psycho cut. Okay. Window. More and more, I've been abandoning any grand plans of evolving battles and just sticking with mostly vanilla but trimmed down battle engine so I can focus more on stuff I care about. Yeah, I know you've thought about this a lot, and I know you've gone back and forth here a lot. And I actually was thinking about this today at work because it was really just something I was doing at work. Just you thinking about how do I strip down the battle engine to create the game that I want and prevent players from doing things I don't want them to do. And I remember talking to you about like, I mean, you're a melee player, you know how sweaty people will get and nothing will stop them. And just, yeah, the work you're going to have to do to strip it down. And I have a friend learning VGC, and I also thought of you because I was like, what if you don't, like, we were thinking about, I don't know if you follow TCG Pocket, but it's basically like an extremely watered down version of the actual trading card game, like to the point where strategy is like basically non-existent. And I was like, is there a scalable way for Archie to do that? Just like, don't rip stuff out per se, but just like turn it down. And I assume you haven't played them, but Let's Go Pikachu Eevee are a really interesting exercise in this, in that they're because it's Pokemon Yellow HD, they are basically like what would Pokemon Yellow. I'm probably gonna keep almost everything except the full game movement ability. I think that, yeah, I think that's definitely like a step in the right direction. And like what Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee does is it says, if we did Yellow today, what would the battle engine look like? And it is a very interesting, like, pared down modern version of the game. And I wonder, yeah, if you could do that. And they don't do much. Like, they get rid of EVs and IVs for the most part. There's a stat boost system, but it's completely different. They get rid of a ton of moves. They get rid of a ton of abilities. They get rid of held items entirely. And yeah, it's just very, very, very pared down. And I think it is like a successful experiment. I was considering getting. I think you should seriously study LGPE and look at the changes they made and see if that maps to the world you want to create. And I actually am ashamed I didn't think of this sooner for you. Because I'm a big fan of those games and I think they do a good job. Yeah, I don't know what the best way to get an intro is aside from like, I mean, I would tell you just play it on Shutdown, but I know you don't want to do that. But there's got to be an article somewhere that talks about like, here's all the things that change. There's probably an article on Smogon about the changes to that meta or like the game changes and how it impacts things. And at least you'll have a good high level summary of like, oh, this feels different in these ways. Yeah. But I do agree. It's hard, right? Like, I want to tell you as your friend, yes, Archie, you should just focus on the things that will make the game cool and fun and interesting and not but at the same time, like, balance is important, and making sure you're designing experiences that are balanced around the thing your player is going to be doing the most of is also important. So I don't know where this falls for you. Like, unless you're changing things so drastically that there will be very few battles, I don't want my battle engine to go. Exactly. So I feel like if you are going to do this, then you have to like invest. But I know how much of a bugbear it is. But I want battles to only be like 20% of the total gameplay time. I mean, that is a good way to frame it. Like, if I'm a PM and you're telling me I'm going to spend all this work for 20%, I'm telling you you're a fucking crazy person. Like, you are about to do a lot of work for 20%, you know? Oh, I need change column to also have this. Whoops. Yeah, I think you need to scale it down to where, like, okay, this will take 20% of the gameplay time, and then therefore should take 20% of dev time, and probably less than that, right? But that by the fact that you have a goal there is good, but then you have to use it to keep yourself honest. Like, how much time am I lighting on fire here exactly? I'm not trying to definitely not trying to spend more than 20% downtime with battles. Right. But of course you say that also knowing that the changes you're going to make might be more than that. But you get the point. Yeah, I feel really bad not suggesting LGPE earlier. Like, it's very much it's not completely unsweaty, but it is very much, hey, if we pared this down, if we scaled back, you should I wish you knew how to play TCG, because I think looking at Pocket is also a very good example of a team saying, if we designed this today, way less sweaty, what would it look like? I mean, I don't know if that counts. I know how. Maybe look into Pocket. Maybe. But I feel like the depth that you experience when you play TCG at 8 is about the same level of depth as Pocket has now, which is not a lot. Maybe I'm wrong. But like, most 8-year-olds are not engaging. I had the championship decks from 07 to 09. I mean, you have some. 07 is what, Mutrick, and 09 is Gardevoir Gallade. Like, you have some great decks. You have. Oh, no. 08 is Gardevoir Gallade. So, Luna Rock. Oh, that's right. They always print 4 decks. Yeah, you have a goated series of the game, but yeah, like, those decks are the highest level of play, right, for that time period. And if you understand how those work, then you will understand Pocket's changes. If you don't, then it won't make a whole lot of sense. But either way, you have 2 examples in the Pokemon universe of devs paring things back to look at. That might be useful for you. Hopefully it's useful to you. Uh-oh. Oh, no. That was an interesting bug. I don't even know how to repro that. Let's see. If I do this... Oh, I don't have the row set. Okay, so now I go 1 right. Aegis. Okay. Okay. And what if I would have told you I was paring things back so I could spend that extra time on full Zelda overworld boss fights? I think that's reasonable. I would expect that. No, that makes sense. I mean, when you say paring things back, dev time or the battle system, like that's the other problem too, right? No, I get your point. No, I think that makes sense. I'm not at all surprised that you're doing that. Like we've never explicitly talked about it, but it makes complete and total sense. Of course you are. Why does the row number not change? Okay, hold on. So if I do back mortar, then I go back and I'm at Abra and I press left. I'm at Erascuda. Okay, what row is Eras? Uh-oh. Okay, what row is Erascuda in? Let's see. Fifth. Okay, hold on. Three. Oh, I need to reset. Okay, I understand. Well, both. I mean, my original goal was to implement this huge anime-based battle system with the pledge move type interactions, and now I'm like, maybe not. Oh, I didn't know you were doing that. Yeah, that's crazy. I would have told you not to do that. I'm glad we're on the same page here. I mean, if you want to do that, just go work on Crown. Like, that game's right there. Not that Crown is full on anime battles, but it is rip out the battle engine and make our own. I thought we talked about that. I had a huge write up on this entirely best in general. No, you did not tell me about this. And I'm glad you talked yourself out of it. That sounds insane. Not that it wouldn't be worth doing. It would be amazing, and I know you could pull it off. It's time. It's. I know this is not your end game. Like, if you had better things to do, if this was your magnum opus and then you were out, then I would get it. But you have other games to make. Set future species ID. Okay, it's the page. Okay, so current row number. Get current row number. Does it use the same? It does. Okay, I need to reset it. That's on me. Okay. Set current row number. Okay. Load parent. Set target move. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, when I go back to grid. Okay, this right here. Okay. Oh, did not think that was gonna happen. Set current row number. How do I get the row number for the... Yeah, I think if I pare down the battle engine ideas, some way I could reasonably do it in a few years or a year and a half instead of my usual predicted 3 years. What happens if you leave the battle engine completely untouched? How fast do you finish Samaya? Because now I have another crazy proposal for you. Okay, I need to store original. Mostly around the same time. I think changes I'm considering. I see. Okay, if it's only 2 weeks. Because I was going to say you should do all the other stuff and then do this one last and then see how you feel. Like I said, maybe the balancing thing doesn't matter as much if it's only 20% of the game, right? Okay, I need to store the original row number. Cutting out 400 moves and abilities, how items won't take that long. Famous last words. It's probably less difficult than the maps, now that I think about it. So I take that back. You'll probably be fine. When else am I destroying a task? They told me cutting all the maps we held, it was 2 hours. Fair enough. Create task. Okay, this is the only time I'm creating. Okay, so I think I can do this. So this is. Aha. Okay. Oh, somebody's taking shape. I have seen this map before. Although I think you've added stuff since I last looked at it. She is sexy. I do love it. Okay, if it is 0. Oh, no, 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 no. God damn it, I can't reuse this. Nico has done a lot of it. Hell yeah. Love me some Nico. She's great. Pokédex page data. Okay, so this is set current row number. Let's see. Okay, got it. Should I just derive row number based on current position? I probably could. Yeah, let's do some fucking math. All right, let's just do that. Okay, if I just do this. Current position. Okay, so this is parent display get current get position, or is it get list position? Get list position. Okay, so that's our current position, and I want to know what row we're on. So is it the same thing? Just okay. So while okay, so while that's true. Okay. Offset equals 0. Okay, so offset is plus plus. Okay, and then hold on. You get the total number of rows. That can't be correct. Okay. Interesting. Is it literally just okay, hold on. Need a king. Okay. And then you just divide by 2. It is just list position. Make it even and then divide by 2. Do I even have to make it even? I don't. I think it's just return current position divided by 2. Let's see what happens. Yeah, current row number. Okay, cool. Oh, no, that does not work. Okay. Current row 0, and then if I press down 1, it's still 0. Okay, fine. List position is okay. That doesn't fine. Fine. Okay. Okay. All right, doing this and then going to bed. All right. And then this is row number. It's just another U8. How bad could it be? Row. Okay. Parent cursor. Row number. Okay, here we go. Okay. Age of slash. Okay. And now. Okay, where's Nidoking? Nidoking moves. Sucker Punch. Okay. Hell yeah. Alright, cool. We got there. Okay, another thing down. Okay, Archie, I am 2 tasks away from being done with this page. All I have to do is update the header and footer, which is easy. That's like 10 minutes of work. And then add a new background for, and then a new tile map. Like, that's literally it. Is this tile map is, or sorry, it's this tile map is wrong. This is an old version. I need a little arrow up here. Yeah, I just need like a little fucking arrow up there, and then I'm done with this page. I still have to do all these pages, but baby steps. But as you can, I think we talked about this, like these are easy, you know, like fucking information is just like get mon data or get species data, print it over a giant window. Stats is the same thing. Even if I do some fancy bar shit, it'll still be like super easy. Yeah. So yeah, the Pokédex is picking up speed now. Like I did, like the moves page was going to be hardest, and it's done. Locations is going to be a bitch too, but I think I got it. I just have no idea what the H files look like after. Like I know how the JSON like has to compile them. I just have no idea how to work with that data, but it cannot be hard. I'm sure it's just tables all the way the fuck down or some bullshit. And then it's going to be a lot of addition. Yeah, locations will be easy. Evolution and forms will be annoying, but I'll figure it out. Your audio is shitting the bed on my end, probably my internet. Yeah, I crashed. Oh, I'm back. Welcome back. I was just saying that all the remaining pages are easy mode. Like just a lot of get mon datas. So I feel good. I think I said I would be surprised if I was still working on this in May, and I stand by that. I don't know. And then I get to work on migrating to a new repo. Yeah, I'm my next big thing is I'm gonna do some git rebase nonsense. Like I'm basically gonna rewrite history on the repo to get rid of like some giant files that are just taking up space. Which is gonna force rewrite. That's also part of the reason I messaged you the other day is like there's a couple huge files in the repo that make the entire repo larger, and so I'm gonna rip them out and like force push changes, and just clean up the git history. And then I'm also going to port all my stuff to a clean copy of expansion because I have like 90 failing tests because I fucked up merges from when I was inexperienced. Like I'm from the 3 branch days. That's how old my repo is. And so like I just fucked up some merges back then. And I have exactly. So I'm basically gonna clone expansion and then just hand port all of Silicon stuff onto a new repo. I don't think it's gonna be hard. I did like cost out the work. I don't think it's that bad. Like I've already made a diff of expansion and my game, and it's going to be a lot of copy pasting. I think about doing it for Smite all the time, but I want to do it on vanilla. That's going to be That's going to be even harder. At least for me, it's just expansion. But no, I think it'll be tedious, but not difficult. And yeah, so that's the next project. I don't know if I want to stream that. Like, that's not a good watching project, I think. But I don't know. We'll see. And then once I do that, I think I will make the repo public. So that nobody has to, like, Egg spent an hour the other day troubleshooting GitHub token nonsense, trying to get back into the repo. So yeah, if I don't have to do that anymore. But no, so many of the features I've written were for expansion for this very reason, so that when I do a diff, it's just literally just my region's content and story stuff. All the mechanic stuff is stuff within expansion. So hopefully it should be actually pretty easy. Like, in a perfect world, my game is just like a skin on expansion, and it handles most of the core logic. Yeah, I'm not doing it now. Yeah, I feel like doing it now would be not great. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I will talk to everybody later. Peace.